Hey guys, Babatunde Motown here. So I just got this Soundcore R100 true wireless earbuds from Jumia Black Friday after 1 week of ordering it. Here I have it. It has been amazing ever since. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the pros and cons of these true wireless earbuds and my final recommendation. Is it worth buying? Stick around to know about that in this video. And one more thing, this is not a review unit as I bought this very unit myself. This way I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about these earbuds, and without taking much of your time, let's get down to business. Let's start with the price. The Soundcore R100 goes for 9,990 naira here in Nigeria, which is equivalent to about $25 as of the time of posting this video. It comes in two colors only, white and black, which I have the black one here. To the unboxing, it comes in a small box, well designed with the word "all day play", and all around it are the features and specifications of this earbud. For the full specs, please check the description box below. Opening the box, you are welcomed by the Soundcore earbuds manual written in English and 6 different languages, followed by the R100 earbuds wrapped up neatly. Let's come back to that. Next comes the USB Type-C cable for charging it, and lastly 2 extra earbuds for small and larger ears. That is pretty much everything you'll find in the box. To the design, the top of the charging case has a Soundcore letter D logo, and underneath you'll find the charging port and the reset button. It looks premium in the hand, and it is lightweight with glossy finishing all round. Opening the case, there are unique informations and serial numbers plus certifications of this earbud. And also at the front, it has one lead indicator. The overall size of this earbud is same with the Oraimo 3+3 earbuds, so putting it in pocket won't be a problem. Taking a closer look at this earbud, it has an ergonomic design that makes them sit properly in the ear, giving maximum comfort. On the earbud, you find a press button with the logo D on it that works very well compared to the touch sensor that barely works on its close competitors. The press button is soft and clicky without adding additional pressure to the ears. The silicone ear tip provides amazing seal for excellent sound quality from the earbuds to the listener with no air fatigue. Now, to the Soundcore R100 mic test. Anker claims that there are 2 mics on earbud to give it a clearer call experience. So here is the call quality test. Alright guys, so this is the call quality test of the Soundcore R100 true wireless earbuds, and this is what you'll be getting if you are buying one right away. Outside here, it's not much of a noise, and the breeze is not that too much, as you can see the leaves there. So this is the testing, 1 2 3, testing 1 2. In the battery department, the charging case is powered by 500 mAh battery and 45 mAh for each of its earbuds, and the charging time for both earbuds and the case takes 2 hours to complete. They run on Bluetooth version 5.0, which connects them to any Bluetooth device in less than 4 seconds. The Bluetooth range of 10 meters was there when I tested these earbuds. In fact, you can use these earbuds individually or both earbuds as you wish. When it comes to gaming, these earbuds are not gaming buds. However, playing casual games like Traffic Racer, BB Racing, Killer Bees will do just fine with no latency. But playing first shooter games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Playback, then you will notice a little bit of latency, which is manageable. And if you are a type that loves watching videos and listening to music, then this will give you no issue whatsoever. Alright guys, so to the pros and cons of this Soundcore R100 true wireless earbud. So if you are getting one right now, these prices of these earbuds are good, and secondly, the battery life is decent, it's okay, and thirdly, it connects very fast. Within 4 to 5 seconds, you connect to any Bluetooth device around you. With that being said, it has some cons that it's not really a deal breaker. Like one, it has no environmental noise cancellation or active noise cancellation, so whatever noise you're having around you, be picking it up if you are on calls. And also you cannot mute your environment. It's just like the passive noise cancellation of the earbuds. Using the tips are what seal it off a bit, so you don't hear much of the noises around you, which is still okay. And secondly, it is not supported on their Soundcore app. You can't use this on Soundcore app because it's not supported. It's an entry-level earbud. So if you want something that is supported on Soundcore app, then you should upgrade to the P3 or P Mini and call Liberty Pro, and both 3 and there are a lot of them there. So that is all on the pros and cons of this Soundcore R100 true wireless earbuds, and let's continue with the video. Alright guys, in conclusion, I'll be recommending Soundcore R100 to you if you are looking for a budget-friendly earbud, one that has volume control with a moderate bass and a longer battery life. All this in one earbud. And moreover, you'll be getting maximum comfort because I slept with these earbuds on my ears when I was testing it, and I woke up the next morning feeling very good. No head fatigue whatsoever, and I can tell you are getting that also. And if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. That will be the end of this Soundcore R100 review, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe. God bless you. Peace.